The First Amendment's Free Exercise Clause helps ensure the separation of church and state by barring laws prohibiting the free exercise of religion. Typically, litigation implicating the clause concerns the constitutionality of legislation. But in Aflalo versus Aflalo, we explore the intersection of the clause and judicial authority to regulate or enforce religious practices when deciding civil disputes. When Orthodox Jews Sondra Aflalo and Henry Aflalo married, they executed a ketubah, a Jewish marriage contract in which a couple agrees to comply with the laws of Moses and Israel. For context, under Mosaic law, the power to obtain a religiously recognized divorce rests entirely with a husband, and is achieved by the husband issuing a bill of divorce known as a get. If a husband doesn't issue a get, then his wife remains tied to him under Jewish religious doctrine, regardless of any civil divorce. Any subsequent remarriage of the woman isn't recognized under Jewish law, and her future children are considered illegitimate, meaning they're unable to marry other Jews. After over a decade of marriage, Sondra filed a civil divorce action against Henry. Henry, however, didn't want a divorce. He initiated proceedings with a rabbinical tribunal known as the Beth Din, which summoned Sondra to appear for consideration of the couple's reconciliation. In a settlement conference before the state court trial, the parties reached agreement on many issues, but Henry refused to provide a get unless doing so was recommended by the Beth Din at the conclusion of its proceedings. Sondra was consequently unwilling to settle the divorce action. She requested that the New Jersey Superior Court enter a judgment of divorce requiring Henry to provide a get.